Welcome to English Treasure. Today's topic is using perfume. First, we will learn to pronounce some new words. Wrist, wrist. Ears, ears. Shirt, shirt. Trousers, trousers. Skirt, skirt. Application, application. Activate, activate. Instantly, instantly. Spraying, spraying. Volatile, volatile. Floral, floral. Constitute, constitute. 15, 15. Disperse, disperse. Clinging, clinging. Backdrop, backdrop. Duration, duration. Organic, organic. Wood, wood. Experimental, experimental. We will read this paragraph slowly to learn some new words. The appropriate way to use perfume is to apply it on areas of the body where the veins are close to the skin, such as the wrist, behind the ears, and at the base of the neck, as this ensures constant warmth so the fragrance can evaporate gradually. Applying perfume to your shirt, trousers, or skirt is just a waste. After application, the smell of a perfume develops over 3 distinct periods, called incense notes. The top notes activate instantly upon spraying, providing an important first impression containing mild, volatile odors such as fruit and floral scents. The next is the middle notes that constitute the heart of a perfume, which will start to be noticeable around 15 minutes later after the first notes disperse, and contain its main scent, clinging to the body for quite a long time. The later bass notes create a backdrop of calm and concentration, and linger for an extended duration. These often contain the organic smells of wood, musk, and resin. Manufacturers often note the materials they use in the notes, as well as the duration of the fragrance in each period, under their standard experimental conditions. Now we will read the paragraph again, this time at a natural speed. The appropriate way to use perfume is to apply it on areas of the body where the veins are close to the skin, such as the wrist, behind the ears, and at the base of the neck, as this ensures constant warmth so the fragrance can evaporate gradually. Applying perfume to your shirt, trousers, or skirt is just a waste. After application, the smell of a perfume develops over 3 distinct periods, called incense notes. The top notes activate instantly upon spraying, providing an important first impression containing mild, volatile odors, such as fruit and floral scents. The next is the middle notes, that constitute the heart of a perfume, which will start to be noticeable around 15 minutes later, after the first notes disperse, and contain its main scent, clinging to the body for quite a long time. The later bass notes create a backdrop of calm and concentration, and linger for an extended duration. These often contain the organic smells of wood, musk, and resin. Manufacturers often note the materials they use in the notes, as well as the duration of the fragrance in each period, under their standard experimental conditions. Now let's review the new words we have learned. Wrist, wrist. Ears, ears. Shirt, shirt. Trousers, trousers. Skirt, skirt. Application, application. Activate, activate. Instantly, instantly. Spraying, spraying. Volatile, volatile. Floral, floral. Constitute, constitute. 15, 15. Disperse, disperse. Clinging, clinging. Backdrop, backdrop. Duration, duration. Organic, organic. Wood, wood. Experimental, experimental. Listen to these questions. What are the best places to apply perfume? What are the middle notes of a perfume sometimes called? What kinds of smells do the base notes often contain? If you know the answers, tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like it. If you learned from it, share it with your friends. And if you loved it, subscribe to the channel.